My dear students of class 9, the question which I have selected on the board, that is from triangle, chapter 7, exercise 7.1. You see in this question, AB is a line segment, P is its midpoint, D and E are points on the same side of AB, such that BAD is equal to ABE, EPA is equal to DPB. Prove that triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP and AD is equal to BE. Sometime in the examination, the diagram remains given, but it is not always. Sometimes you have to draw yourself by taking the help of the information given in the question. Here I am going to draw as it is given in question. Here, first of all, you mind that it is very easy. AB is a line segment, so I am drawing here AB. See, AB is a line segment. P is its midpoint, so I am writing here or putting here P as midpoint. Means what? AP is equal to PB. AP is equal to PB. That is why P is midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB. Here you see, this is D. This is D. And here is one point E. On the same side of AB, where is D? It is not like that. D is here, E is here, or E is here, D is here. It is not like that. Same side of AB, D and E are the points. Now, what are the things given? You see. Angle BAD. Where is BAD? BAD. That means what? You must have to put here like that. BAD is equal to which angle? With the help of a scale you will draw. This angle. Here what is given? Here you see. EPA. Where is EPA? Means this angle is equal to DPB. DPB. Okay. And then which more angle is there? Angle BAB. Means this angle is equal to angle ABE. ABE. This angle. I hope you understood. AB is a straight line. P is its midpoint. Angle BAD. Here is BAD. BAD means this angle is equal to ABE. Where is ABE? ABE means this angle and this angle are equal. EPA. Where is EPA? EPA. Where is DPA? DPA. So I hope you understood. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Now what is to do? To prove DAP is equal to EBP and AD is equal to B. Direct after figure, I am just writing a proof here. Proof. Here, you first of all you have to make the two triangles congruent. DAP. Where is DAP? That means what? This angle should be here. This angle. But it is a small angle. So first of all you do one thing. Angle EPA is equal to which angle? EPA is equal to DPA. EPA means this small angle is equal to DPA, this small angle. DPB. From where I have written? It is given. Given in the question, you see. You add both sides. As you know, this angle and this angle are equal. Here, this middle angle you add both sides. This middle angle DPE you add both sides. Adding both sides, angle EPD or DPE. Then what you got? Therefore, you are getting EPA plus DPE is equal to angle DPB plus angle DPE. Now you see, this angle plus this angle. Now you consider this small angle, again this angle. So you are getting what? This total angle you are getting from here to there. Therefore, angle APD. Here, this side what happens? You see again the same way. This angle plus this angle, what you are getting? DPB means this angle. DPE means this middle angle. So this plus this, you can write this whole angle. So you can write angle BPE. Equation 1 you keep in hand. Now you compare the two triangles. Which triangle you compare? One DAP, another is what? EBP. So in a triangle DAP and triangle EBP. What are the things? Angle, this angle you take DAP. Here is DAP. I think it is given, or BAD. BAD means this angle. You can write DAP or BAD means this angle, or instead of BAD you can tell PAD. Angle PAD is equal to angle this angle PBE. BP or PBE. Now the teacher will ask from you from where you have written, because you can write. Actually, it was given BAD. BAD means what? BAD. It is same thing. Since BAD, here you see PBE I have written, but given is what? ABE. It is same thing. ABE. ABE. That is why we can write this angle is equal to this angle. Now you see AP is equal to BP. Why it is so? AP is equal to BP. BP. Why it is, my dear students? Since P is the mid point of midpoint of AB. Now you see 2 points you got to make congruent. Now one more point is required. So this angle is equal to this angle, AP is equal to BP. Now you see this angle is equal to this angle already. We have drawn angle APD. Here I am writing. I don't have a space, so I am writing here APD. APD means what? This angle APD is equal to which angle? This angle BPE. Angle BPE. Therefore, what happened? Do you understand? Angle, side and angle. Angle, side and angle. That means what? You are getting these two triangles equal. Therefore, triangle BAP congruent to triangle EBP. EBP by what postulate? By angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. If these two triangles are equal, that means what? AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE. Why it is so? CPCT. Finished. I hope you understood. I started from here, you see, like that I have done, and then remaining portion I have written here. Once again I request you, you must subscribe my channel if you want, you like it, so that whenever I give some new video on YouTube, you will understand or you will get the information immediately. Thank you.